12 most promising altcoins for the next bull market. Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the altcoins that will grow the most during the upcoming bull market. I will tell you in details about 12 altcoins that I selected for you, and I will share one more secret at the end of the video that will bring you extra profit. Before we begin, I would like to ask you to like this video, subscribe to this channel to not miss the upcoming videos about the altcoins and how to make money on them. So which altcoins will bring you the most profit at the upcoming bull market? Friends, I have selected for you 4 categories with 3 altcoins in each. The first on the list is the artificial intelligence altcoins. This is the area in which the biggest company in the world invested the most. Of course, the popularity of the artificial intelligence not miss the cryptocurrency market. Such altcoins as Fetch AI, Render or Ocean grow by 3, 4, 500% almost in a month. But in my opinion, this is just the beginning. I have selected for you these altcoins that are related to artificial intelligence. This is the Fetch AI, Render and Injective. Friends, let's not stop on the artificial intelligence altcoins for too long, because we have one single video about these altcoins. You can watch it here. And we move to another category. This is the decentralized exchange and cold wallets. Here we have Trust Wallet token, Hashflow and BSwap. Why we should pay attention to this category? This trend began to grow so rapidly after the scam of FTX, where the millions of users of this exchange lost their money. What is the difference between crypto exchanges and cold wallets? Actually, the money on the crypto exchanges do not belong to you. You have some numbers on your accounts, but when exchange scammed, as it happened to FTX, all your money just disappear. It is almost impossible to lose your crypto because the keys from your crypto belongs to you. Another fact that the FTT token fall from 80 to $1. This token belongs to FTX, and the price of this token fall from the $80 to $1, which means that people which hold this token lost all their money as well. This is the main advantage of decentralized exchange and cold wallets. You directly own your cryptocurrency without almost no risks for you. Let's start with the TWT, which is a token of the Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is the one of the biggest cold wallet. It ranks at number 99 among the biggest cryptocurrencies and has almost 4 million of the market capitalization. Here you can see their page, and as you can see guys, you can store here on this cold wallet almost all cryptocurrency. Why this cold wallet is so important? Trust Wallet is a project of Binance, and sometimes the CEO of this biggest crypto exchange, Binance, promote Trust Wallet, and CEO of the Binance says that Trust Wallet allows you to store your crypto yourself if you want, your keys, your coins. Additionally, he said that the future of the crypto is the cold wallets, because money start to flow from the crypto exchanges and they are moved to the decentralized exchanges and such cold wallets as TVT. That's why I think that Trust Wallet will show us huge growth, because the CEO of the biggest crypto exchanges promote this cold wallet all the time, and the users of the Binance will flow to Trust Wallet. The second altcoin in this list is the Hashflow. It has only 67 millions of capitalization and ranked at 304th place among the biggest cryptocurrencies. This altcoin has really huge potential. Why? Because it means that this altcoin can easily grow by 12 times to 1 billion capitalization in 1 or 2 months. That's how we made the money on the AI related altcoins. Render was only 80 million capitalization but easily grow to 6 million capitalization only in 1 month. The same can happen to the Hashflow, of course. Hashflow is decentralized exchange that appeared at 2021. Their token HFT appeared at the Binance at the end of 2022. This coin still didn't show any significant growth. It means that this coin still have huge growth potential. Friends, I'm sure you want to find such altcoins like Sandbox, Injective and WeatherX that will bring you amazing profit. That's why we create this PDF guide, which calls 3 golden rules on how to choose 10x altcoins, the ultimate guide by Pro. Here I describe my 3 personal rules which I use to find the best altcoins with the amazing growth potential, such as Sandbox, Injective, WeatherX. Here I show our personal examples from the recent pump of altcoins. Here you can find some examples from 2021, 2023 and many other interesting things where you can download it. It's very easy. You need to open the first comment below this video and find the link to this PDF guide. Also, you can find the link in the description to this video. Enjoy it guys, and I think it will be very helpful for you at the upcoming bull market and help you to make the amazing profit. And the third coin in this list is the BSwap. It's also decentralized exchange and has token BSW, which is listed on Binance. This coin has only 32 millions of capitalization and ranks at 433rd place. So this coin as the HFT has the biggest growth potential among the other big cryptocurrencies. BSwap is also decentralized exchanges and allows you to swap your altcoins or your tokens from the different networks. For example, you can swap your tokens in the Bitcoin network to the tokens in the Ethereum network. Friends, if you already have one of these coins that I mentioned before, please write plus in the comment. It will be interesting for me to check how many holders of these altcoins we already have. So the next category in our list is the China related altcoins. Why China is so important? China is the one of the biggest economy in the world, and in 2021 China banned crypto transactions and crypto mining. That was the main reason why the price of the biggest cryptocurrency Bitcoin fell by almost 50%. But recently one of the state of China, Hong Kong, allows to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. We can assume that the same can happen to the other cryptocurrencies. But can you imagine what happened to the altcoins which is related to China? Such coins as EOS, NEO and BitTorrent are highly related to China. Why? Because they have China roots, China owners, or the teams which are located in China, or the products they are developed for China. So in case of open China for another cryptocurrencies and trading, these altcoins can blow up, and if it's happened, they can easily grow by 5, 10 or 20 times in 1 week or in 1 month. We can only imagine what will happen to these altcoins when the biggest economy in the world will be open for crypto. Let's move to the last 3 altcoins, guys. Here we have Aptos, Arbitrum and Cosmos. Guys, if you already heard about these altcoins, push like button to this video. Aptos is a fresh altcoins on Binance, and we have already made 200% profit on it, but I think in a bull market it will show us its true potential. Aptos is one of the biggest altcoin in our list. It has 1.5 billion of capitalization and it ranks at number 34 among the biggest cryptocurrencies. Let's move to the second altcoin in this list. This is the Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a project that helps fees inside the Ethereum blockchain become cheaper. This is very important for this blockchain. Especially large fees you can find at the top of the market. Sometimes transaction fees reach $100, $200 or even more. So this project can solve many issues of Ethereum, the second largest blockchain. That's why Arbitrum coins are interesting for us, because they have huge potential to grow. And the last coin in our list of the top 12 altcoins for the next bull market is the Cosmos. Atom as Aptos already have huge capitalization. Capitalization of Cosmos is $3 billion and it's number 25 among the biggest cryptocurrencies. Guys, you ask me why we select this huge altcoin. Because it doesn't have such huge growth potential as HFT or BSW. The answer is simple. Cosmos already have sustainable ecosystem and a huge amount of developers that develop this ecosystem. Here you can see the biggest ecosystem in the cryptocurrency. As you can see on this picture, Cosmos placed on the 3rd place next to Polkadot and Solana among the biggest ecosystem with more than 1000 developers. Actually, Cosmos have more than 1.5 thousand of developers which permanently develop this ecosystem, and as for me, this altcoin has also great potential to grow during the upcoming bull market. So guys, this was the top 12 altcoins for the upcoming bull market with the huge growth potential, but I have one more secret recommendation for you. The last bonus recommendation is to keep an eye on the Bitcoin related altcoins. As you already know guys, 67 cryptocurrencies was named as securities, and the regulation in United States only begins. Bitcoin according to law become not the security but the commodity. It means that Bitcoin related altcoins will only win on these regulations, and when regulated altcoins will start to fall, liquidity from these regulated altcoins start to flow to the Bitcoin related altcoins. It means that Bitcoin related altcoins only win from this regulation. Friends, if you want me to make the video about the list of Bitcoin related altcoins, please plus write in the comments, and if we collect more than 50 pluses, I will make the video for you and you will be safe during the regulation. Guys, if this video was useful for you, press the like button, subscribe to this channel to not miss the upcoming videos about the altcoins, and buy only the best crypto in your portfolio. Have a nice day.